Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have such a great surprise for y'all. I have an unboxing for Luna Lacquer, and this will be the Wintery series plus a doorbuster and a freebie with purchases over $50. Y'all, don't miss watching this video because this collection is simply amazing. Luna Lacquer, I have been rocking with her for a long time now. And when I tell you, I have seen so much progression. These polishes are top tier. I've tried some of them, and the formula is also amazing. So, this is going to be for the Black Friday sale. There will be a code, and I will put all the sales information below, but the code will be Luna B as in boy, F as in Frank, I guess for Black Friday, and 25 for the 25% off. And there will be free shipping. So with the Black Friday sale, again, there will be 25% off everything in the store, including the Wintery series from November 28th through Monday, December the 2nd. Shipping will start on December the 9th. There is free shipping at purchases of 125 after discounts for the Black Friday, so that should lower it down to $100. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel and you like anything nail art or nail art related, if you like live swatches and reviews, please consider subscribing. Click on that notification bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. I will have all of the sales information down below in the description box. So without further ado, let's get started with this unboxing. Ooh, can't wait. So I did go ahead and take everything out the bubble wrap, but y'all, I couldn't wait to do this unboxing. Can't you see the stunning factors of these polishes already? Oh my goodness, they are superbly beautiful, y'all. Look at these. Oh, like I said in previous videos, it's like having Christmas early. And you know, us polish collectors just simply love getting new polishes, new finishes. Beautiful. So let's go ahead and get started with the first one. Again, this is going to be 6 polishes in the Wintery series. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so you can get all of the goodness in your eyeballs, y'all. Ugh, look at that. I can already see this is hollow-licious. Look at that. Look at the shifts. This is simply, and look at this. This is the same polish, y'all, but at a different angle. Beautiful. These multichromes are just stunning. Simply stunning. So the first one is Ice Mistletoe, and this is Sage to Forest Green to Blue Shifting Chameleon with Hollow Flare and Hollow Flakies. You saw with just a demonstration how beautiful and how many different colors at different angles that you will see the different colors. Simply beautiful. And I'm going to tell you too, at certain angles, you can see a purple. The next one is Ice Crystal. She put the wrong label, so don't pay attention to that. Ice Blue to Purple Leaning Shift with Hollow Flare and Hollow Flakies. You can see here with the purple tint, once you move it at different angles, you can see that purple. You can see that blue. Just beautiful, y'all. This is such a gorgeous collection. You are going to want this collection. This one is Winter Pumpkin. This is a copper to orange gold shifting shimmer with the hollow flare and hollow flakies. Y'all, I love it. And then the one I have on my finger almost looks like it, but that's a different brand. But I put the numbers on them. That's nothing to do with the maker. That's something I did just so I know which ones in what order that I'm doing the video with the polishes. So I love that color. Next is Chilled Berries. This is a pinkish purple to orange shifting chameleon with hollow flare and hollow flakies. Y'all, look at the multichrome shifts, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Beautiful. Like I said, y'all are not going to want to miss this. And the formula is amazing. Next one is Sub Zero a turquoise to blue to purple and pink shifting chameleon with hollow flare and hollow flakies. I cannot say this enough. I looked at these polishes and I went crazy when I saw them. I went crazy opening up the bubble wrap, and this is one of her best collections. Now these polishes that I am showing, they're all $12 each. Again, I'll have all that sales information in the description box below. Next is Frost Bitten. And this is a blue to purple to pink gold shifting shimmer and hollow flare and hollow flakies. And I'm sorry, I forgot to open the bottle so you can see the inside of it. I do apologize. But this one is the Doorbuster, which is the Pretty Pink Xmas Tree. This is a Barbie pink with pink to orange shimmer. It's a little on the subtle side, and some lights it'll show better than others. And it's with hollow flare and hollow flakies and a dusting of silver reflective glitters. And the next one is the Solstice, which is the teal to blue shimmer polish with the hints of green that I just showed you. Again, I'll have all of these sales information down below in the description box so you have all the details regarding the Black Friday sale. I just wanted to stop in really quickly so you can see these gorgeous beauties. They are simply stunning. So don't miss out, you guys. I will try to do a live swatch pretty soon, but I just wanted to show you these gorgeous beauties. So be on the lookout for the live swatching. I'll have that pretty soon. If you like this content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, allow the magic to take hold and watch the magic appear. See you later.